Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. My name is Narendra and welcome back to Office Master. Today we are diving into a crucial topic for anyone dealing with finance or investments. How NPV function works in Microsoft Excel. But before we move forward, I would like to tell you that Office Master is offering an exclusive workshop on Microsoft Office using AI tools. The link is in the description. We'll talk more about it later in the video.
Working professionals, are you using Excel, Power BI, PowerPoint, or Word in your day to day life? What if I tell you that you're wasting 95% of your time while you're doing so? How so, you will be asking me? Because you're not using ChatGPT and AI tools while doing all of these work.
So, what exactly is NPV? NPV stands for Net Present Value, and it's a financial function in Excel used to calculate the present value of a series of cash flows discounted at a specific rate. It's a fundamental tool for evaluating investment opportunities, helping us determine whether an investment will yield a positive or negative return after considering the time value of a money. Now let's dive into how the NPV function works in Excel. Before we know how NPV function works, I would like to tell you one important thing which all of you need to understand. AI is taking over the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 2-hour Microsoft Office using AI tools workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. Now, let's jump into an example. Before that, here is the official support page of NPV function. As you can see, here we have a description. It says it calculates the net present value of an investment by using a discount rate and a series of future payments which are negative values and income which are positive values. Here you can see the syntax. So first one we have rate, then value 1, value 2 and so on like that. So here rate means the rate of discount over the length of one period. Then value 1, value 2 and so on like that. Value 1 is required. Subsequent values are optional. Okay. And here are remarks. We're not going to see what are the remarks and all those things. Let's jump into example. So in this example, here we have description and data. So here point 1 is the annual discount rate minus 10,000 is the initial cost of investment 1 year from today. Then we have 3,000 which is written from first year, 4,200 written from second year. Then we have 6,800 written from third year. So here is a formula. NPV of first one is the rate, which is the discount. Then we are going to give all these values: A3, A4, A5, A6. So net present value of this investment is $1,188.44. So let's do this thing. Let's copy this table to our Excel sheet. So here we are going to calculate NPV. So here is a rate, then value 1, value 2, value 3, and value 4. Okay. And here you can see the net present value of this investment. Okay. Let's see another example. Example 2. Here we have a annual discount rate. This might represent the rate of inflation or the interest rate of a competing investment, which is 0.08. Then we have a minus 40,000 initial cost of investment. Then in the first year we got 8,000 returns, and in second year we got 9,200. In third we got 10,000, and from fourth we got 12,000, and from fifth year we got 14,500. So here we have this formula, net present value of this investment. So we got this $1,922.06. As you can see here, we are just going to copy this formula. So before that, let me copy the entire table. Here you can see the table. So let's copy the formula here. So here what we are doing is we are giving the rate first, which is the discount rate. Then we are selecting the entire data from here 8,000 till 14,500. Then we are subtracting 40,000 from that. So that means we are just adding it. Okay. And you can see the net present value for this investment is 1,922.06. Then here what we are doing is we are going to find the net present value for this investment with a loss in the sixth year of 9,000. Okay. So for that we just have to subtract 9,000 from this. Okay. So I'm just going to copy it. Here I'm just going to paste it. And you can see we got 3,749 is the net present value of this investment. And these are the two examples which we explored to understand net present value function in Microsoft Excel. And that's it for this video. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like, comment, share the video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such informative videos. Also, do check out our workshop link in the description. We'll see you there. Thank you.